Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. In today's video, let's talk about hair health. As you may notice, I've been growing my hair. My hair is so long at this time and I'm so proud of it because it's still very healthy. So in this video, I'll be sharing all my tips and tricks on how to avoid hair loss, grow your hair in a very healthy way, and restore the healthy shyness back to the hair. Maintaining long, full, and healthy hair could be very challenging. There are like so many different variants that cause hair loss, hair thinning, or damage the hair. Even if you don't have any medical conditions, you have a normal and healthy scalp, you may experience some kind of hair thinning, hair fall, or hair loss at a certain time of your life. It's totally normal. Our hair follicles are mini organs that cycle through growth phase, regression phase, and resting phase. If the hair life cycle is normal, we should have 80 to 90% of the hair in the growth phase and 1% in regression phase and 10 to 15% in resting phase. But if we are experiencing changes in lifestyle such as poor diet, hormonal imbalances, stress, fatigue, aging, etc., the hair life cycle will be changed as well. According to a study, if less than 80% of your hair is in growth phase and over 20% of your hair is in resting phase, that you are experiencing excessive hair loss. Now the question is, what can we do to support the hair growth and avoid excessive hair loss? Here are a few things I have been doing in my hair care routine and wellness routine that actually worked for me. First thing first, diet is one of the most important factors for healthy hair in my opinion. Vitamins and minerals play a key role in follicle growth cycle and in cellular turnover. Vitamin B12, vitamin D, biotin, iron, and a lot of other nutrients are so important for healthy hair growth. Lack of these nutrients will cause hair loss. So you really want to maintain a diet that's rich in minerals and vitamins if you're experiencing hair loss caused by imbalanced diet. So just add some nutritious food to your diet on a daily basis to support your hair growth, including berries, fatty fishes, eggs, spinach, seeds, nuts, and etc. I'm Chinese. I grew up in a Chinese family. If we have any hair issue, parents or grandparents would recommend that we eat black sesame seeds, which is considered a superfood for hair. Ideally, we just have 3 balanced meals every day to support hair growth, but you know, these days we have schedule. It's really hard to guarantee that you have all the nutrition in your diet on a daily basis. But no worries, a good solution is that you find a good hair supplement to support the growth of your hair to make sure it has enough nutrients every day. Here's what I've been using, this Vitauthority Radiant. And this formula is vegan-friendly, plant-based, non-GMO. It's really effective with its unique hair health formula. Its primary active ingredient is carnauba, and this ingredient has been clinically proven to reduce hair loss and support hair growth. This ingredient, carnauba, is a natural ingredient. It leaves the hair healthy and strong in a natural way. The plant-based formula is lab verified for clean ingredients and non-GMO. And the efficacy of carnauba has been clinically proven. In a double-blinded randomized clinical study, 65 women who consumed 300 mg of carnauba every day over a 3-month period have been seeing great results on their hair. So this ingredient has been clinically proven in this study. The supplement is delivered in this very unique form, the golden ballads, which is more bioavailable so that you can absorb the nutrients easily. I've been taking Radiant for a while. This is my 2nd bottle. I definitely noticed a difference because I see much less hair on the floor in my shower. And my hair looks healthy and it's stronger and fuller. Overall, this formula provides the right amount of nutrients to support healthy hair growth, which works for my hair. All it takes is just 1 capsule a day with a glass of water, with or without food. So this is super easy to be incorporated into my lifestyle. Cleaning routine is also very important. First of all, you need to look at the frequency, how much shampoo, how much wash do you really need? I used to shampoo my hair almost every day, which is killing my hair. My hair dried really quickly, so I just can't maintain this length. I had to trim it frequently just to avoid, very split, dry ends. These days I switched to 2 to 3 times a week, and I shampooed much less than before, and my hair has been doing much better. I can grow my hair in a very, very healthy condition. So when you control the frequency, like reduce the frequency of shampooing, of your wash days, and your hair will have some time to breathe and take a break from all that blow dry and things like that, so it'll be much healthier. Speaking of wash day, I have a few more tips. Always brush your hair before you shampoo. Every time we wash our hair, shampoo our hair, we might lose more hair on that day. So just to avoid hair loss, you want to brush your hair before you shampoo. Hold the middle of the length and brush it when it's dry, like this. So when you comb through your hair and you just go ahead and shampoo your hair and dry your hair, and then you will have smooth, silky hair without too much hair loss. For the washing part, use more shampoo, focus on the scalp and the roots. That's where you have more sweat and dirt that you need clean, and ends are mostly like clean and dry if you don't have a lot of styling products. So just focus on conditioning on the ends. That's what I've been doing, and it really works. In this way, your clean hair can stay longer between 2 shampoos, and you don't need as many shampoos as before. The water in your shower also makes a difference on your hair. First of all, you need to watch the temperature of your water, because you don't want to use very, very hot water. It's going to damage your hair. Use lower temperature, something that you are comfortable with but not too hot, so that you can avoid excessive heat on your hair. This is really important. Sometimes the hair damage is from the tap water in your shower. This one really depends on where you live, what's the quality of your local tap water. Just to be safe, I always recommend that you have a shower head that has filter like this one that I've been using, so that the chemicals, the harsh chemicals in the water will be removed, will be blocked, so you will have less hair damage from tap water. In my previous videos, I mentioned the benefits of using satin pillowcase to help prevent hair loss, and it really works. And here is my pillow, and this material is very smooth, very gentle to the hair, because there is less friction between the pillow and the hair, so that you will lose less hair during the sleep. And same idea for the scrunchie, and here you also use satin material for your scrunchies and hair ties, so that you don't pull your hair, and this material is so soft and smooth. You still can tie your hair like in a very secured way, but you don't pull your hair out. This is really helpful. One easy thing that you can do for your hair is to embrace the natural beauty of your hair. For me, I have dark, straight, long hair, right, like this. And to a lot of people, if they have curly, wavy hair, they straighten their hair for this look. But for me, I always admire people who have wavy, curly hair, who have like volume like this. I always like to curl my hair. It damages the hair, basically. Now I try to do the straight look as much as I can do. I just brush it, sometimes like flat iron just a little bit if there's any frizziness, and that's it. Try to avoid overdoing it, because this is your natural look. It's the most healthy look that you can do. If you really like to heat style your hair, you just want to control the temperature and pick a styling product, styling tool that has consistent temperature, so that you don't overheat your hair, and try to do it less frequently. For the colors, I am trying something that's very, very close to my natural color, but you have a little bit twist, right? It's still fun. But if you have dark hair like mine and you want to go silver blonde, then it takes a few bleaches. You can imagine how coarse and dry your hair will be after so many treatments. If you really want to take good care of your hair, just let it breathe and do it the natural way, and your hair will look naturally beautiful. And I have a few hair care products that I've been using to promote the healthy condition of the hair. And the first one is this scalp serum. And a scalp serum is really nice to work with hair massage. You can do it before bed. Just apply some product along your hairline on the scalp and do a gentle massage, and it promotes hair growth and it will make your hair look healthy and strong. If I notice any dry ends, I will apply this cream, which is a multitasker. You can use it as a heat protector. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner. It's very nourishing, it's friendly to color the hair and a keratin-treated hair. Just like skin, your hair will be damaged by sun exposure as well. So if you are out for a few hours, you want to make sure your hair has some protection. So this is what I do. I use this spray to protect my hair from UV damage, from sun damage. As I mentioned, I am avoiding heat styling as much as I can, but sometimes I still have to do it. This is when I need a heat protector. So apply your heat protecting spray like this before you use any hot tools. This is a very lightweight thermal protection spray that holds the shyness of your hair and also give your hair a very nice protective layer against the heat damage. Another thing is that I have to manage my own expectation of how much I can have, because there is always a limit. I like to grow it as much as I want, but you know, when it's too long and too weighty, it's not the best for the scalp. The scalp is not healthy and then the hair won't be healthy anymore. So just for the health of the scalp, sometimes you need to trim like a little bit so that it's not that heavy. It's like a fresh start for your hair growth journey, and then you can start again and you can enjoy like much better hair condition. It might take a few years to achieve the length that I want, but health of the hair is most important. There are so many small little things that we can do to help the hair growth and avoid hair loss. And these are the things that I've been doing for my hair. Let me know what you think. If you have additional tips and tricks that you want to share with the community, please feel free to use the comment section down below. Nutrition, diet, watch what you eat. These are the most important things for healthy hair growth, and everything would work much better from inside out. If you're interested in trying Vitauthority's Radiant, the hair supplement that I've been using, go to the link in the description. I'm pretty happy with the look of my hair right now. It feels natural and healthy, and I will keep growing it. I will definitely keep you updated on my hair growth journey, so stay tuned. So that's the end of today's video. I hope this video is of some help, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!